4 to 5 minutes away from Christchurch University, and rainwater, heater, also parking place, affordable and luxurious apartment like PGs. A big hall for all yourself, and with this sofa. As you can see, I have a college right there. This is the safest and most luxurious place I've seen till now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing a PG-like apartment which is like 4 to 5 minutes away from Christchurch University. And if you're a person who's searching for an apartment, like this is the right place where you will have so much facilities available here, like rainwater, heater, also parking places. So this is the right place if you're looking for, you know, an affordable and luxurious apartment like PGs. This is also a building of Ascom and it's called 7 Triangle, and it has so much facilities. None of the other PGs will have parking facilities, but this PG, with this apartment right here, has parking places too. So guys, if you're a person who's looking for an apartment like PG with all these facilities, you're in the right place right now. So let's go check it out. So guys, now let's go see all the rooms upstairs. So this is the waiting area right here. So this is where you have to go upstairs, and this is the way to the rooms. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the rooms available here and all the features which will be included in this room. So first, when you enter the room itself, you will have this whole big hall for all yourself, and with this sofa. So that's an advantage, guys. You will have this sofa for yourself. It will be fun, and this whole place is just for you if you book this. This whole place is just for you if you book this. There's 2 rooms actually in this apartment, and let's go to the first room. When you enter the first room, you can see 3 beds, and they'll provide mattress. They'll also provide chair and table, and also cupboard for each individual. And then also you will have a washroom in this room. So washroom, you don't have to bring your bucket, mug and dustbin and all. And also there's heater available. So every time there will be hot water too. So this is what is there in the first room. And then now let's go to the second room. Before entering the second room, you will have a wash basin here and with a mirror. So you don't have to worry about getting ready. Like you have a mirror and you just have to, you can brush your teeth here and like get ready for college. You won't be late, guys. And then in this room, there's actually 4 bed with 4 mattress and 4 cupboards is also here. And a plus point is, in this room, there is also balcony. So you can come outside and you can access outside. You can see outside actually from here. So over there, that's our college right there. You can see our college right there. There will be a balcony in this room and you can come back. So this is what is there in the second room. 4 beds with 4 mattress which they will provide and 4 cupboards. And if you're wondering about the table and chair, this room's table and chair is here. You can change if you want, but then they have kept it here. So this is the table and chair provided from that room. Also, the other thing about this apartment is you will have kitchen, guys. So yeah, kitchen, they'll provide fridge. They also provide gas and stove. So you don't have to bring that. You'll have another balcony near the fridge. You can access the college from there, see? Oh, this is a perfect view of college. You just have to, oh, what is happening in college? I'll just see from here. Yeah, guys, you can see the college from here. So you know how close it is, right? So guys, this is it for this room apartment here. And also if you want to know more, there is inverter here. You don't have to worry about power cut and all because there's inverter here, and Wi-Fi will also be provided, and heater is also there, Wi-Fi is also there, inverter is also there. It's like fully apartment. You will get fridge. You don't have to buy fridge. You will get stove. You don't have to buy much of anything. They'll give a bucket and mug and mattress too. You will have cupboard, table, chair, everything will be provided from this apartment itself. So guys, you might be wondering, what about the washing machine? Washing machine is also there, but it is upstairs. So you'll have to go upstairs and then wash your clothes. It's common for everyone because the dry area is upstairs. So you just have to wash your clothes and dry your clothes there itself. So guys, now we're going to enter the second type of apartment in the same building. So yeah, let's go. I'll show you. So when you enter itself, you can see two sofas. So this is the hall area. This is very luxurious. It's very big actually. And then you will also have 4 table and chair from the rooms inside and 4 cupboard also. You can change this if you want, the cupboards and table and chair wherever you want. So we'll enter to the first room here. First room, you will have 4 bed with 4 mattress and 4 cupboards. And this cupboards, these people will also have individual table and chair which is outside. So if you want to bring it inside, you can bring it inside. If you are coming here, you can change. And then now we'll go see the washroom inside. So guys, this is the washroom. There's also a heater and you will have a dustbin too. You don't have to bring bucket and mug. It's all provided. So this is the washroom for 4 people. Now I'll show you the second room in this apartment. So before entering the second room, you can actually get access to the kitchen here. So in this kitchen, you will have a stove and a fridge too. And there's this sink. Then now when you go here, common area, you will also have another sink. Now we are going to enter the second room. Second room is the type of room where you can find 2 sharing in this apartment. So 2 sharing also, they'll provide a mattress, table, chair and 2 cupboards. So if you want to bring your cupboards inside, you can bring your cupboards inside. But I think right now it is outside. Then also you will get a balcony, guys. There's a balcony here in this room, attached to this room. So you can get access to a balcony. If you want to dry your clothes, you can dry your clothes here too. They also have a washroom here. Heater is also there. So you don't have to worry about that. And also guys, there is Wi-Fi. So you don't have to worry about Wi-Fi, and also there's inverter. So you don't have to worry about power cut and all. So this is all the features available in this current apartment. So guys, also there is a bell here. So people from outside can just ring your bell and just come in. So this is all the features available in this room. It's actually very luxurious, and if you want to come to a PG like apartment, this is a correct place. So this is the safest and most luxurious place I've seen till now. So guys, now we are in the terrace of this building. So when you enter the terrace only, you can enjoy the weather over here. Like, it's such a spacious place over here. Such a luxurious terrace you have here. Also, they have solar for the heater. Like, if the geyser doesn't work, this is another option for them. In this terrace only, you will have washing machine. In the washing machine itself, you have the facility where you can dry your clothes too. So that is there. And also you can hang your clothes and dry it here. Also you can see the college from here, guys. Like, that's how near it is. That's how, like, just 4 to 5 minute walk. I'm telling you guys, this is it. If you want a PG like apartment, this is it. Because it's very near to college and it has all the things you need, and also it's from Ascom, so you can trust Ascom buildings. This is a terrace area. You will have washing machine facility and also drying facilities, and a very big place you can sit and, you know, enjoy or see the weather. If you're wondering about safety and security, you don't have to worry about anything because there's cameras, and also there is this gate, so they'll close it. You can close it actually, and this is not even the main gate. The main gate is downstairs, so this is just a gate where you can close from the rooms area. And when you come here, you can actually see the filter water. You can this is the drinking water. You will have the drinking water facility. So this is filter water. So and this is the way to the rooms. Is one room over here, which is like which I showed you, 7 rooms. 7 people can live here, and that is a room where 6 people can. So guys, if you're a person who can't miss your bike or car, you can actually bring it here, and there's plenty of parking space right here, so you can park your vehicle. So if you're a person who will miss your vehicle when you're far away from your home, this is the right place. You will actually have parking place, and you don't have to worry about like anything happening to your vehicle. So this is an advantage, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in my comment section or personal in my Instagram. So I hope you guys like this video. Okay, until then, bye bye.